Understanding Bob and Weave, a guide to everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, bob and weave. This phrase might sound a bit quirky, but it's quite common in everyday English. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of bob and weave together. Bob and weave is a phrase that originally comes from boxing terminology. In boxing, to bob means to move your head and upper body quickly down and away to avoid punches. To weave is to move your body side to side in a fluid motion. Together, bob and weave describes a boxer's skillful movements to dodge attacks and stay on their feet. In everyday language, bob and weave has taken on a figurative meaning. It refers to someone's ability to skillfully navigate through difficulties or avoid problems. For instance, if someone is good at avoiding difficult questions in an interview, you might say they can bob and weave through the conversation. Let's look at some examples to understand how bob and weave is used in context. 1. In the workplace, during the meeting, Jenny managed to bob and weave through all the tough questions about the project delays. 2. In personal life, he's good at bobbing and weaving through traffic to get to work on time. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios, not just in boxing. When using bob and weave, remember that it often implies agility and cleverness. It's used in situations where someone is avoiding something, but not necessarily in a negative way. It can sometimes be admired as a skill, depending on the context. And that's all about bob and weave. We hope this video has helped you understand this unique English phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and contexts behind them. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find English full of surprises and fun phrases like this one. See you in the next video.